In this chat, we're getting real about that annoying paint peeling and crunchy feeling on basement walls, especially in older homes like your 1962 renovation, and how to handle moisture issues like efflorescence without wrecking your walls. So, here's the deal. When you notice paint on a concrete basement wall feeling crunchy or blistering, it's usually a sign that moisture is doing its thing behind the scenes. Efflorescence is basically white, powdery mineral deposits pushing up under the paint because water is trying to escape through the concrete. Painting over it with regular plastic or latex paint just traps moisture inside, making things worse and causing the paint to bubble or peel off. What you really want is a breathable paint like silicate paint, which lets moisture get out without damaging the wall. Before painting, it's crucial to prep the surface properly. Scrape off all old peeling paint and clean any mineral deposits or efflorescence thoroughly. Don't rush this step because sloppy prep means the new paint won't stick and you'll be back to square one in no time. Also, check for any leaks or groundwater issues around your basement's exterior because if water keeps seeping in, no paint will hold up. If you're not comfortable doing this yourself, hiring pros who know their stuff on basement, moisture, and efflorescence can save you a lot of headache and money down the road. One of the biggest mistakes people make with basement walls is ignoring the root cause of moisture before painting. Just slapping on some plastic paint traps the water, leading to bubbling and peeling paint that looks like a mess and feels crunchy. Another common slip-up is hiring cheap painters who don't prep properly. They might just slap paint over peeling surfaces, making it look worse fast. And third, folks often overlook external drainage problems, so moisture keeps coming in no matter what paint you use inside. The fix? Always remove old flaky paint and efflorescence before any new coat. Use breathable silicate paints designed for masonry, and make sure your gutters, downspouts, and landscaping direct water away from your foundation. If you spot those white powdery minerals under the blisters, that's your cue to act fast, and not just cover up the symptoms. BigHomeProjects.com is pretty clutch for stuff like this because it hooks you up with trustworthy local contractors who really get basement repairs and waterproofing. Plus, if you're a contractor yourself, it's a solid way to find homeowners who need your skills for big projects like this.